Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize your start menu in Windows 11. So let's say you've upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11 or you did a fresh install and you want to actually personalize how your start menu look like. So for example, if I go to my start menu, you can see I have some pinned apps here. So what we can actually do is we can actually move these apps to a different location on my pinned apps. So I can, for example, my settings, I can move my settings here. I can decide to move Office there. I can decide to say, well, I don't use the Photoshop Express all the time. So let me just unpin this from my start menu. I can decide to say, okay, Spotify, I don't use it all the time. Let me also unpin this from my start menu. But what I can actually do is, for example, Netflix, I can say I want to pin Netflix to my taskbar. Okay, I can unpin this from the start menu, but I think I can, let me just pin this to my start to the taskbar. Pin to the taskbar. You can see we have it here on the taskbar. We can decide to also unpin, for example, I can say the Microsoft Store, I don't use it all the time. I want to unpin this from the taskbar. I will be able to unpin it from my taskbar. And here you can see the start menu of Windows 11 is actually at the center of my screen. So I can actually change like Windows 10. Windows 10 is always at the left side of your screen, which at this moment you can see when you install Windows 11 for the first time is going to be at the right side, at the center of your screen. So what we can do is, if I right click on my taskbar, and you can see I have the option called taskbar settings. Here in taskbar settings, I can actually modify my start menu and change it to be on the left side. So first of all, you can see we have the search, and when I click off the search, you can see the search is no more there. So but at this moment I can't, you can see that I don't have the option to actually search. So what you can do is, on your keyboard here you have the Windows logo. Here you can actually just click to go to the start menu and then press that with the combination of S. You can see now I'm getting the search option, but let me just put that back on because I always use it a lot. And also we have the task view. If I right click off, you can see that the task view is off and the task view is on again. The same thing for the widget. So but where we have the option called the taskbar behavior. So let me just click that, and you can see it says the taskbar alignment at this moment is at the center. So if I click and select left, you can see that my start menu just moved to the left hand side of my screen, and it gives me the Windows 10 lookalike feeling. So if you are used to that and you think that you prefer your start menu to be at the left side of your screen, I think you can actually just change it. But for me, I prefer it to be at the center so that I can get used to the Windows 11 being at the start menu, because I work as an IT professional. So probably in the future, if companies started migrating to Windows 11, so the company may decide that they want to leave it at the center of the screen to give it that Windows 11 lookalike. So let me just get myself acquainted with that. Here we have the automatically hide the taskbar. So we can click it and you can see that my taskbar just disappeared. But if I just try to scroll down to my taskbar, then it's going to appear again. So here you can see it disappears. So I'm going to actually uncheck that because I prefer my taskbar to be always visible all the time. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Calvin Johnson, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to leave a comment below, or you can send me a personal email. I'm going to leave my email in the description of this video. You can send me a personal email and I will reply to your email as quick as possible. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. Take your time also and give me a like for me creating this video. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.